Another powerful earthquake has struck the Philippines. Sirens wail, families leave their homes, power flickers across towns. In the last 2 weeks alone, Cebu and Davao Oriental were rocked by major quakes, with tsunami alerts, landslides, and widespread damage. This is not rare. This is life on the Ring of Fire. And today, we answer 3 questions. What just happened? What is the government doing now? And what can communities do next? September 30th, 2025. Cebu, magnitude 6.9. A shallow offshore quake hit near Bogo City around 9:59 p.m. It produced destructive intensities in northern Cebu and damaged buildings and roads, with dozens of fatalities and many injured reported in subsequent situation updates. Aftershocks followed through the week. October 10th, 2025, Davao Oriental, magnitude 7.4, and hours later, magnitude 6.8. A rare doublet struck off Manay, triggering tsunami warnings, forced coastal evacuations, landslides and building damage across Davao region and neighboring provinces. Casualty figures and damage assessments evolved as reports came in. Authorities warned of strong aftershocks. PHIVOLCS DOST detects quakes, issues intensity reports, tsunami information, primers, and aftershock advisories. Their bulletins guided coastal evacuations and class/work suspensions. NDRRMC/OCD coordinates the whole of government disaster response, consolidating situational reports, validating casualties, road and power status, and tasking agencies and LGUs. Their alerts supported evacuation orders, search and rescue, and relief mobilization. DSWD deploys emergency family food packs, tents, cash aid, and camp coordination. As of the latest briefings, assistance for Cebu and Davao Oriental incidents has reached hundreds of millions of pesos, with tent cities and additional cash support being rolled out. DOH sends surge medical teams, field clinics, and psychosocial support, coordinates hospital evacuations and continuity of care, notably where facilities were damaged. DepEd, DRMs, conducts rapid school assessments, issues class suspensions, and tallies damaged classrooms to prioritize safe return to learning. Telcos, issues connectivity advisories, supports restoration where towers and fiber were affected. NGCP works to restore downed transmission lines and plants, prioritizes critical loads like hospitals, water, and evacuation sites. Status varies by province. Clearing operations. Rockfall and landslide debris along national roads are cleared by quick response teams with loaders, dump trucks, and dozers to reopen lifelines for ambulances and relief convoys. Relief distribution, working with DSWD and CSOS on food, water, sleeping kits, and hygiene packs. Camp coordination and protection. Special attention to children, elderly, and PWDs. Lifeline restoration, water points, generators, charging stations. Coordination with DPWH for road access, and with DICT/telcos for signal sites. Life safety, barangay level evacuation, accounting, first aid, and search and rescue with local fire, police, volunteers. Rapid damage assessment and needs analysis, RDANA. Tallying casualties, destroyed partially damaged homes, and priority lifelines.
lakas nun. May nahugay.
Follow PHIVOLCS and LGU advisories on aftershocks and building re-entry. Avoid red-tagged structures. If you're near the coast and feel a long or strong quake, don't wait for sirens. Self-evacuate to high ground immediately.
Ano ba? 6. Magnitude 6 ni. Tingnan ni kusog.
Lord, ayaw na taon, Lord. Malawag ka.
Document damage, photos plus geotags for assistance and insurance. Keep IDs and medicines in a go bag. Use official channels, DSWD OCD hotlines, LGU Facebook pages for relief schedules and cash aid verification. Road awareness. Heed DPWH detours, weight limits, and closures. Landslide zones can reactivate after rain. Schools and work, check DepEd LGU announcements for class and work suspension and building clearances.
Ang lakas. Dino guys. Grabe oh. Tingnan mo yun guys.
Uy, ano yun man? Uy, ang sakyan na.
Earthquakes won't stop, but fatalities and losses can drop through safer siting, code-compliant retrofits, lifeline redundancy, and public drills. National agencies and LGUs are now shifting from pure response to early recovery, rehousing the displaced, restoring schools and hospitals, and hardening bridges and slopes most at risk. The target is not only to rebuild, but to rebuild better.